So, what exactly is PAP? Picture a world where turning your ideas into apps is simple and easy. That's what we're all about. A powerful platform designed to make app creation accessible to everyone. We've made the process easy because we believe all of you should have the power to create something amazing, no matter your experience level. Now, imagine this. You have an idea. Maybe it's a training app, a platform to share your thoughts on the latest movie, a space to showcase your art, or a way to connect with more people from your school. Whatever your goal, PAP is here to help you bring it to life. The whole journey is simple from the start to finish. Plan, design, create, and publish your app all in one place. With PAP, you're not just using tools built by experts, but unlocking endless innovation possibilities. Your app, your way. And spoiler alert, it's all code-free.